So the next question is that x into mod y is not a positive number. This is given. So we have to find out the relationship between 1 and x square, right? So again, a very simple question, I feel. Uh, so if you see x mod y is not a positive number, that basically means that x into mod y is less than 0, right? It is not a positive number, means it's less than 0, right? Now, or actually less than equal to 0, right? Doesn't really matter, but okay. So now if it's less than equal to 0, this means that one has to be positive and the other has to be negative because it's less than 0, right? And we also know that mod is always positive, right? Or 0, right? That means x will be something negative, for example, right? So for example, if we take x is equals to minus 5, right? So this part will be 1, this part will be 25. So obviously this is greater, right? Now what we do is that we want to come up with a solution such that this part becomes bigger, 1, and then we can say that uh, D is the answer, and that is the approach we always take, right? So for instance, if we take x equals to 0, I mean we can take it, right? There is no restriction on not taking x as 0. So if we take x as 0, right, this whole thing becomes 0, which is also right, for example. So if we take, so this side is 1 and x square will be 0 because 0 square is 0. So in this case, this side becomes greater. So if we see this, the answer is B. If we see this, the answer is A. So because the answers are either A or B, sometimes this is bigger, sometimes this is bigger. So the answer is D. I hope this is clear. Simple question.